So, this is not just another book review, this is the very first novel I have read at the start of my reading journey. Hi everyone, welcome to Book Talk India. Now, before starting with anything, I would like to tell you that every book on this channel is going to get only three kinds of ratings: either skip it, borrow it, or own it. I'm not going to give any 5-star ratings nor a kind of any good read ratings, just whether if I think if it's worth your money or not. So, the book I have picked up today to share is A Cage of Desires by Suchi Singh Kalra. It is published by Penguin Random House, and as the platform shows, authors actually do best-selling books are Done with Men and I Am Big So What. I'm not sure if A Cage of Desires was a huge success or not, but this is the book I fell in love with. A bit about author: she's an Indian author and also freelance writer. She's known for her writing contemporary fiction that focuses usually on relationships, mostly on identity and even modern Indian women. I would say books are very simple, easy to read, and they feel like they're written for normal people. Now, without spoiling much about the plot line, the book is about a woman. Her name is Renu. On paper, it is shown that she has a perfect life, like family, husband, house, everything. But she's just not happy. You know, the kind of life people usually tell you to dream about, she has that. But more you guys read, you will realize she's not actually living the life she wants. She's just probably existing. And then, as we move forward, a new character evolves. Her name is Maya. She's completely different and opposite, confident, independent. She's a successful romance writer. So the plotline shows these two women who are completely different, but somehow they're connected in a way that slowly unfolds as the story goes on. And I would say that is all I'm gonna tell you about it, because discovering the rest is honestly the best part of the book. I would put it in this way: there aren't any crazy plot twists or dramatic cliffhangers every 10 pages you go by, but it is, very slow, but one of those stories where you keep reading because you're emotionally very much invested in the characters. You just want to know, okay, what is she going to do now? Now, according to this, I would say the book is made for young readers. I would specifically point it out, it is for young female readers, and you would also be surprised with a writing style of few scenes. I would say, yeah, I was very much impressed. Now, going in depth a bit more, the reason I would say it is a beginner friendly read is, as I've already said it earlier also, that language is very simple and then there is no show off. I think that's actually a writing style or a writing lesson within itself. We often think that complicated writing is better, but books like this remind us that clarity is far more powerful than complexity. Now, if your reader forgets they are reading because they are so immersed in the story, you have done your job. Now, from the publisher's point of view or perspective, I would say if I would have landed upon this manuscript, I would have definitely picked it, because the story knows its audience, I would say. But is it that perfect as I'm saying? No. Did a cover play its role in me picking up the book? Yes. As an 18 years old, when I picked up, yes. But it would do a far better job if we modify the cover and re-release it, I would say. Other than that, I did feel that a few emotional scenes became slightly dramatic, and I also wanted some of the supporting characters to have a little bit more depth. But honestly, I don't think these things stopped me from enjoying the book. In fact, if after all of these years, if I still remember the story, I think that says something about the book by itself. If you want to buy the book, it is available on Amazon in a very decent price of, I think, $299. And as a final verdict, I would say you should own it rather than borrowing it from someone or anything. Now, if you are someone who have already read the book, I would love to know what you thought about the book. And if you haven't, maybe this is your sign to give it a chance. Thank you.